Hello, welcome everyone to Green Roofs Learning. So this one is a demonstration of a Jamstack e-commerce app called Happy Paws. This app is developed using Gatsbyjs, Stripe as a payment system, and Netlify Serverless Functions. So you can see the list of cats here with their price and description. So we can actually add one or more to the cart. Yeah, I like this one, lazy. And then I can go over to cart. I see there are three items I've already added. I just click on this, navigate it to a payment page. This is coming from Stripe. So I see all the cats that I have picked up or added with their total price. Let me add few details so that I can complete this payment. And let me add a card information. By the way, this is fake. And finally, I'm ready to pay and check out. So this is going to take a second and it will redirect me to a success page. Yep, it's done. So that's all about this demo. You will find a step-by-step tutorial link and the source code link into the description of this video. Feel free to like and share. Thank you.